Hi, I'm Chuck Martin. We're back here at the AI Summit, and I'm happy to say I'm being joined by Mr. easyJet, Ben Diaz. Welcome, Ben.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
So you're involved in the hackathon. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so when the organizers said they wanted to set up a hackathon, they reached out to me because I've done hackathons before, and so I was working with them to set it up, and it made sense for us to kind of sponsor it as well, because I brought my team over so that they can mentor the students.
So are you one of the judges, I'm guessing?
I am, yes. Yeah.
What are you expecting? Have you seen anything yet?
I have. So I was talking to the candidates during the hackathon as well, and there are some really interesting thought processes is what I was looking for, because they're right at the start of their journey in data science. So it's good to see how they're thinking about problem solving.
And these are all universities, right?
Yes, yeah.
We interviewed one of the universities yesterday. They said they expected to win.
Oh, brilliant.
I don't want to tell you which one.
You shouldn't say it doesn't affect my judgment.
Although I heard that they all expect to win.
Indeed, yeah. No, they were all good. They were really fighting at it, which is good.
And what are they developing?
So they're working on looking at sustainability and food. So they're looking at trying to create a diet that satisfies all the nutrition requirements while reducing the environmental footprint. So it's one of those UN topics that they're tackling, which is great.
So as a judge, what are you looking for?
So from a hackathon, it's very limited what they can do in a day. So what you're looking for mainly is the thought process of how they're attacking the problem. Do they understand the problem first? And do they have some really good ideas? And then also the approach of their first attempt, or second if they had time. Yeah.
So what do they get out of this, aside from the winner? What do they all get out of this?
So they get some mentoring. So my team were here yesterday sitting with them and answering their questions. So they get some help that way. They've got some training sessions before and after as well. So like today, this morning, they're having 2 master classes and stuff like that. And I think JP Morgan are also looking to offer some people a job, which is great.
Oh, very nice. Maybe easyJet will hire some of these people.
Yeah, I mean, I don't have any vacancies right now, but yeah, maybe in a month or two. Yeah.
So you're heavily involved in data science and AI. How does an airline like easyJet, where does AI fit in that?
Oh, everywhere. You know, it can start in pricing, revenue management space, operations space, but even HR, you know, you have people, you have processes, anything you have to optimize or predict, forecast, you can use AI anywhere. Even the IT function is looking for AI to kind of predict where bugs might come up or service interruptions might come up, and then you can help fix those before they happen.
So if there's something like, say, a weather delay in travel, does AI play in that role?
Yep, so if disruption is only constant in aviation, so one of the things we have to be able to do is re-optimize quickly. And so that's where, you know, having predictions is good, but then something happens, you can re-optimize your schedule, your people, your aircraft, so you can make the best out of the disrupted situation as well.
So is the biggest benefit for AI, at least in transportation, is it in the internal operational aspects, or is it something different?
No, I'd say it goes everywhere. So I mean, allowing customers to deal with disruption as well. We can do recommended systems. You can have assistants helping the call centers. So you can have automated call centers to kind of take the extra load and stuff like that. So it goes everywhere. And on the website, helping people to find the right flights, find the right holidays, all of that.
So is there a big data science team there?
Yeah, so internally I have about 24, and we also scale with partners like TCS, so we have some of them, and I've got some Data Spark people working with me as well, so we scale with partners when we need as well.
Now, let's go to the Insight department. I know you're a very active member of Visionaires, one of the early members, the private community we have here for AI industry leaders. And you did some writings in there which were very insightful about how to build a data science team.
Yes.
Can you give me some of the top points of how to build a data science team for an organization?
Yeah, so it's interesting. So I've done it in several companies now, and it always depends on the company first, so you have to understand where they are in the journey. If it's really at the start, you need a few people who are kind of hackers who can kind of do anything you need them to do to deliver those first few wins. If it's more mature, then you need more established data scientists and data engineers, and you can separate it out. So I always build a small team first, deliver some quick wins by hacking whatever you have, you know, and delivering value, and then keep building. So like in Tesco, for example, we double the size of the team every year by delivering value, and then you get more mature as you grow.
So is that because a company has to prove internally that it works?
Yeah, and it's also a hearts and minds thing because data is new. You know, people are sometimes scared of our AI as well, like you're going to take my job away kind of thing. So when you show them that what AI does is take people and make them into kind of superheroes like Iron Man with Jarvis, then they get it. And then you can get their support in finding the right problems to solve, and you then deliver more value together.
Well, you're not ready to go judge the hackathon, so I'm going to let
Yes.
you go judge. Thank you, Ben Diaz.
Excellent.
And this is the AI Summit London.